Hello, it's Rick Bo. I've got some exhaust from Jegs for my Camaro. I was going to do an unboxing, see what all we got here. Okay, these should be the mufflers. There. It's a flow pack muffler, 3-inch inside diameter, 30292 is the part number. And I see they're proudly made in China. I didn't realize that at the time I ordered them, but okay, let's see what we got here. It's a straight through with a baffle. Not a bad looking muffler. I just don't have much ground clearance, is why I had to get something fairly small. And this is just the same thing. I'll open it in a minute, and then this here should be the header, the collectors that adapt them to the 3.5-inch header down to 3-inch. It's 3007 is the part number. 3.5 down to 3. It's got two of them in the box, and here's the flange to hook it to the header. I drove this car some last year on the street with just open headers. Never had any problem, but this year, I guess we're going to have to do state inspections on them. I got my antique tags for it last year and didn't have to have a state inspection. This year, they're requiring us to get a state inspection, so I think all I lack is getting some exhaust on it to make it legal. That's not bad looking flanges. Got the gaskets. Okay, that's all that's in this box. There's some Jag stickers, a couple catalogs. Okay, then this box has got all the tubing in it. It's just a universal exhaust kit. A bunch of different angled exhaust, some straight, some 45, some 90. think it's even got a some that have a U-bend. So that's it we got. There's 45. And see, one end is sized up to, and then one end is a slip fit. The 3 inch will slide into that. This end will slide into a sized up 3 inch. Okay, we got 2 of those. Actually, we got 4 of those. 4 of the 90s. And here's the U-bend. Probably won't be using those because I think those are going over the rear axle. I just don't think I have room for that. And here's the 45. Another 45. So we got 4 of those. Ooh. I got 4 of the U-bends. I don't know. That many of those, I don't. Definitely don't need those. And then 4 straight tubing. I think they're 4 foot long, straight. So I think what I'm going to do is have it side exit right in front of the back tire. I'd like to get kind of an oval tip to go on the end of it. This might be okay too, just having the 3 inch coming out the end. Something like that. I don't know, we'll just have to get it up on the lift and see what we got. But anyway, there's all the pieces for my exhaust from Jegs. I ordered the other day. They had a 20% off sale, so I think it came to $320. I saved $80 by ordering it during the sale, so I think I come out pretty good. That should get me street legal, and I don't think it'll restrict it much, being 3 inch. That's a pretty good sized pipe, and probably as big as I can fit it under there anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.